Today, we're diving deep into Finjy AI, the just-released AI software that's generating buzz across the digital marketing world. If you're on the lookout for cutting-edge AI tools, stick around because I'll be sharing 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. Trust me, you'll want to watch until the end to fully understand how this software can help supercharge your workflow. Before we dive in, if you're curious about Finjy AI, you can try it for free by clicking the first link in the description below. It's risk-free, so you can explore it yourself and see if it fits your needs. So, what makes Finjy AI stand out from the crowd? First off, it's built with one goal in mind: simplifying and automating your most tedious digital marketing tasks. Whether you're managing client accounts or running your own business, this tool can significantly cut down on your workload. It's designed to integrate with your existing systems smoothly, helping you manage multiple campaigns without feeling overwhelmed. The user interface is extremely intuitive. Even if you're not a tech guru, with just a few clicks, you can get a lot of work done that would normally take hours. And this isn't just about convenience. It's about making data-driven decisions that move the needle. Finjy AI doesn't just automate tasks. It analyzes your data to help you make smarter choices. One of the most exciting features of Finjy AI is its ability to automate social media content creation and scheduling. In this fast-paced world, staying consistent on social media is key, and with Finjy, you can easily create and schedule posts across multiple platforms in just minutes. Plus, it learns from the performance of your previous posts, optimizing future content based on engagement patterns. Next, let's talk about its powerful content generation capabilities. Whether you're creating blog posts, emails, or even ad copy, Finjy AI has a robust writing assistant built into the platform. It can help you craft high-quality content tailored to your audience, saving you time on research and brainstorming. And it doesn't stop there. Its tone and style adjustments can be fine-tuned to match your brand's voice perfectly. One of the things that sets Finjy AI apart is its built-in analytics. Unlike other tools that just tell you the numbers, Finjy breaks down the insights and offers actionable recommendations. It's like having a digital marketing expert working 24/7 by your side. This data-centric approach helps you stay on top of trends and adjust your strategies on the fly. Another aspect that makes Finjy AI a game changer is its customer support. A dedicated team is available around the clock, ensuring that if you ever run into issues, you'll have a quick solution. Whether you're a small business or a larger enterprise, this level of support is invaluable. Now, for those worried about the cost, Finjy AI is incredibly affordable compared to similar tools on the market. Plus, with its free trial, you can give it a test run without committing upfront. That's something many other AI platforms don't offer, so it's definitely worth checking out. Lastly, what truly makes Finjy AI shine is its scalability. Whether you're just starting out or managing a large team, this software adapts to your needs. As your business grows, Finjy grows with you, providing the tools necessary to keep up with your expanding operations. If you're interested in testing out Finjy AI, don't forget to grab your free trial from the first link in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I found Finjy to be one of the best at streamlining tasks and optimizing marketing efforts, so I definitely recommend it. And remember, after trying out Finjy, I've got a list of other top AI software in the description that you can explore for free as well, so be sure to check those out if you want more options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.